America's Cup. We won. Are we excited about that?
I am hugely excited that New Zealand has a technology that can win it, but I've got the gravest suspicion about anyone having to go sailing with crash helmets.
Waikato have quite a strong history of navigation. Do you think Tauranga should invest in a fleet of yachts that you could use?
No, but I'd be perfectly happy for them to invest in a fleet of optimists so that kids could learn, our children could learn how to sail and how to handle small boats and how to capsize a boat and right it and be safe in the water and competent. And that's one of the things they need to learn if they're ever going to be working in the seafood sector.
What's the coolest car you've ever owned, Tipene?
Well, I regard it as the Rover 90, but which I had a succession of. But I think really the coolest car I've ever had is the one I've got at the moment, and at a given time, and as long as it's working. It's not a thing I can get very excited and aroused over boats, but not really over cars.
What was the name of your darling?
Manuhaya.
Manuhaya. Now, you've had an interesting life.
I have.
We can all agree upon that one. So, if we were to say, put it into a movie, if we were to put your life in a movie, who would best play your position? Which actor would you like to have play your position?
That indeed is a question, and I wouldn't like to offer you too much humility in this matter. Actually, I can't think of much in the way of actors, but I think the quality I would like would be someone who could handle a boat, but also have a strong command of 2 languages and be able to articulate, debate and orate with high quality language.
Yes. What are your thoughts on the current president, Donald Trump?
I detest the man and what he represents.
Did you ever think about becoming an MP?
Yes. I spent more time hanging around Parliament than most MPs did, because I was essentially Ngāi Tahu's Rentermouth on Lambton Quay for years, many years. But I made my wife a promise before marriage that I would not go into politics. She didn't realise there was a back door. Without the pension.
You're always very dapper when you're walking around. Do you think Julian Wilcox is trying to upstage you in Te Whare o Te Waipounamu?
Julian Wilcox will always upstage me in looks and the general quality of his kit.
Oh, we won't put that in there. We're going to cut that out.
He will never upstage me in wisdom. He will never upstage me in wisdom. He will never upstage me in wisdom.
I heard you're writing a book at the moment, Tipene.
No, I've got another man writing a book about me.
Oh yeah?
He's writing a biography, which is a pretty accessible thing. It's not a deep study of my thinking and intellectual capacities and that, although I hope you'll be polite about them. And he's working very hard on that. He's had great cooperation from Ngāi Tahu Archive.
Mo I whakai mai kia noho tahi tāua o tira tātou I rau iho I tēnei kaupapa o te tahu taxi in order to ka mihi kia koe te rangatira. Kei a koe te mana o re.
Kia ora.